Today we are making brown rice, which are very easy. You can get instant brown rice, any name brand or store brand. The directions are on the back. We boiled 2 cups of water into the microwave. It took 4 to 5 minutes. It all depends upon how strong your microwave is. And it's equal part, means 1 cup of water to 1 cup of rice. Today we cooked 2 cups of rice, and once the water boils, you put the rice in, cover it, and let it go. After that, you can season it with salt, black pepper, paprika, any dried herbs, or you can leave it as it is, just like I have it right here. Then we made Cuban black beans. First we chopped bell pepper and onion. Again, you can put any color bell pepper you want. You can put carrots, green beans, mushrooms, spinach, whatever veggies you have. We put a couple of spoonfuls of olive oil, heat it up in the microwave, put chopped up onion and bell pepper, put it back in the microwave again, saute it in the microwave. It takes a couple of minutes. Again, it all depends upon how strong your microwave is. Then we seasoned it with some garlic and sesame. That's all. And then we put the black beans in, mixed it, and then we put some fresh herbs. And then we paired it with frozen broccoli. Again, you can pair it with any vegetables you like. We had a steam in a bag of broccoli. You can do green beans, you can do carrot. I like to make food colorful. So I want to make sure that every ingredient that I put it on the plate has a different color, just like here. We have black beans with red bell pepper. We have brown rice, and then we have green colored broccoli. A piece of marshmallow, we have dark chocolate, and I know how much you guys love chocolate. So put a piece of dark chocolate, pop it in the microwave. It only took 10 seconds for the marshmallow and the chocolate to melt. And then top it with any fruit you have. Today we topped it with fresh strawberries and kiwi. You can top it with the pineapple, berries, bananas, whatever you have. And you have a healthy dessert made in 10 seconds.